welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivienne-Karlene, and girl, I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. I could not start this video today without, first of all, without a glitch. Thank you, lighting. But I could not get into today's video without having something hot to drink. And no, this is not no pumpkin spice latte business, all of this stuff. Plain peppermint tea. Welcome to my channel. I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. Please don't come at me in the comments for the peppermint tea over the pumpkin spice. Something I've never had it. I've never had pumpkin spice anything. So go ahead and suggest something below. We are not here to war over hot drinks. We are here to welcome fall. This is the vibe I'm going for, sis. This is the vibe I'm going for. Let me know if you like it. Yes. And did I say I hope you're feeling blessed and not stressed? Because I do. If this is your first time hanging out with me in the closet, welcome. But if you're not new here and you're coming back, what's up, girl? Didn't we switch it up? Confession time, okay? Let me take a sip. Confession time. This is how I know I have too many bags. Dare I say it? I don't ever want to admit that. But the guilt I felt when I switched over from the spring summer bags to the fall bags, because I think winter, I'm going to do something else too. But I was feeling really guilty, but we're going to have to just talk about that in community posts and stuff like that, overconsumption, because sometimes I got to like wrangle myself in, but we're not doing that right now. I'm not wrangling in nothing. Right now, I'm about to unbox this cutie that I got from the Coach 25% off insider sale. And I hope you got a bag. I hope you signed up to become an insider. And I hope you also signed up for Rakuten. I'm gonna drop that in here because even if you didn't make it to the insider sale, Rakuten can help you outside of that event. And you just make money for shopping. You're gonna shop anyway. Might as well make some money. Get some cash back, and then you can use it to buy other things. All right, so let me tell you the story behind this bag. There's quite a few Louis Vuitton bags that I like, and I stalk and I study these bags to make sure I absolutely want it before I add it to my collection, okay? These bags, I stalked and I studied them before I added them to my collection. My SLGs, I stalked and I studied them before I added them to my collection. There's one more bag that I'm stalking and I'm studying it because I want to add it to my collection, but for the price, I don't know if I want to pay that price, but if I love it enough, I just might. Anyway, that bag is called the Felicie. And good old Coach, thumbnail, good old Coach. You know what? Let me go ahead and unbox while I'm telling you this. Coach has all of the try it before you buy it kind of bags. And somebody like me, I love that. So help me save money, Coach. They had this bag that is so similar to the Felicie. CB Marie, she did a review on the Wyn Crossbody bag. This is what's in here. And I think this is the most comparable bag out there to the Felicie. That bag is over $1,000. It's maybe over like $1,500 by now, right? And this bag right here, 100, was it 160 on sale? Yeah, it was like 160, I believe, on sale on the insider sale. So I was like, yeah, let me get it. But here's the thing with the Felicie. I was not a fan of the hardware. I did not like the black bag. I know, because I have a lot of black bags. They're all right here. I shared it in a short. I didn't want it in black. I didn't want it in maroon because I'm satisfied with my maroon bags and I did not want that gold hardware on it. But as you know, this fall and winter, my color is green. Even coming from the summer, it's still hot here. So I figured, let me just go ahead and get some more wear out of these bags before it's officially fall. So that's the bright green collection here. But when it gets cooler, I'm still going to be rocking green. So I figured, let me get myself a Wyn Crossbody bag. It's just like the LV. Like, you could look and see, girl, it's the same thing. Let me make sure I love it enough before I spend all that money on that pricey bag. So I picked it up in the beautiful Amazon green color. Shout out to my SA Flies in the world. I love it when I can unbox and unwrap my own bags. I'm going to take all that paper and put it in the garden. This bag was so gorgeous when I saw it, and it's taken me a while to warm up to this colorway because I wish they had tone on tone like they had for the tangerine collection in the summer. I wish they had done the same for the green. But this is one of those bags that's just so pretty and very chic. And I think it's gonna be a good try before I buy kind of bag. I love a bag that is multifunctional. I can carry it as a clutch and as a crossbody. I'll show you how it looks as a crossbody. It comes with this cute little card case, this little pouch. It's lined with fabric on the inside. Nothing too fancy. Lord, something dropped me. I have to go pick it up. You guys know I don't like card cases, but I don't mind this. And it kind of works with a bag this size. Now, see, I got to listen to myself. I'm like, I don't like card cases, but the Felicie comes with this. I know you can buy it without it. So that's something I'd consider. Like, do I want this? I've got to think about all of these things. If I buy this separately, upwards of $400 to $500 just for this. And if I have this now and I don't use it, that's an indicator. It also comes with a crossbody strap. Now, the Felicie, one of the reasons why I love it is because it comes with a beautiful gold, delicate, fancy little chain strap. But I have a dinky chain, and I'm gonna see how that looks with this bag. So I have my dinky chain. I'm loving this green. It's leather on the inside, which is nice. All leather here, but in this little pocket, it's fabric, the story patch, and then there is another pocket in the back. I'm telling you, I like this. I really like this. Of course, my phone fits in here. The one thing that I did a few weeks ago, I downsized my phone. I love that. I love that because now I could use all of my things. I'm gonna try it with the cards though, guys. I'm gonna just see if it's functional to me. I'll probably put something in here like a clay with the keys. And then, of course, my card keys of fragrance. This is not supposed to be a what's in my bag, but I know that I can put even a roller ball in here. It has a lot of, wow, it has a lot of room. I know that this can hold quite a bit, and I'm excited about that. I just wanted to unbox it here because it's going to look good with everything that I got going on for the fall. And to me, this color is one of the more sophisticated colors. They have this in, they have it in black, they have it in wine, they have it in chalk. It is now available in the new blue gray, and of course they have it in this beautiful Amazon green. To me, this bag would look really pretty during the holidays, during Christmas, just because it's that type of green. But it could also be an everyday bag. Let's go ahead and put, this chain is thin. It is. And it's just something about that Felicie chain that is just perfect to me. So I'm gonna put that here. It's still pretty. Let me give you a close-up of the stitching on this bag. I like how they really paid attention to detail with this stitching. It looks really pretty. It's a lighter green than the rest of the bag. See that? It looks really nice. Small little hang tag. And because it's a cross grain, so it's like super easy to clean, and I really love that. And the versatility, because you already know we love options. Bags of Style did a video, a really great comparison between the Felicie and her Wyn bags, and size, the size is spot on. It is spot on. I'm glad I picked this up though. How do I feel about this? now that it's here. Am I thinking about the Felicie? Not so much. I really want to see, am I going to get into this bag? Because that's my dilemma. Like, I would love a bag, and then I get the bag, and then it sits on the shelf, and it watches me go outside and leave it in the closet. And I'm not trying to do that this season. So I'm glad I have this color story going behind me, because it's going to help me wear more of my bags. It really is. Even what I have on, this is like an everyday look for me. I love denim. So to grab those bags, that's what I'm excited about. And I want to be very, very, very intentional with my future purchases, even though right now I'm thinking about that mirrored tabby. What bag am I gonna wear this week? I'm excited, honestly, to wear this Rebecca Minkoff. I love that bag. The day I got it, I moved into that bag. I'm excited about this one too. I think it's a good. Does it satisfy my Felicie thirst? I don't know. We'll see. She's pretty though. And for right now, she's gonna go back here. Behave yourself. Does she look good? Can she stay there? Let's move her out into a corner. Let's move her right back here. Okay, that's it. That's today's video. This is the first video in our fall closet. What color story are you feeling right now? Are you still feeling the bright green from the summer mixed in with this traditional print from LV? Or are you gravitating more towards the deep maroons and the wines and even that tan? And I absolutely love how it turned out. And yeah, so this is fall. Are y'all shopping? Tell me this, what color bags are you looking forward to rocking this fall? Because I'm trying to do all this. If I can make it through all the bags in this fall color story without buying any more, I will be happy. I will be very happy. I'll try to do it. But thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And don't forget to tell me, what bags are you rocking for the season? Are we bag twins? Let me know. Are we bag twins anywhere? I would love to know. And you can help me out so much, sis. If you see a bag on the wall, on the shelf that you are interested in checking out or getting more information about, drop me a comment and say, hey Viv, can you show this bag? Maybe I'll show it in short. Maybe we'll make a whole video about it. I don't know. But look, one video down. We have a whole season to go. So thank you for hanging out with me. I'm going to go warm up my tea. And in case nobody told you this today, sis, you are beautiful. You are loved. You are blessed. You were created by God to do some amazing things. So start creating, start doing those amazing things. He loves you. I love you. And sis, above all else, please believe this with your whole heart. You deserve every good thing that God has to give you. You hear me? You deserve it. You deserve it. And I'm talking myself into deserving that Tabby 20, the mirrored one, but I probably don't need it. So yeah, we'll talk. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, sis. The video is over.